All of these places I've been, they don't feel like forever.
Are you looking for a meticulously maintained 3-bedroom bungalow on the water with room for all of your vehicles and all your toys, with a sheltered harbor for your boat? Come check out 10930 Front Road. We'll take a look around and stay for the bonus off the primary bedroom.
All kinds of treasure, but I'd take it all and I'd give it to somebody else. 'Cause none of that means much. A little love would be enough. Oh, I'm on my way back home, and I know on the other side of the great unknown, there's a place I'm welcome in, there's a place I know I'm called a friend, there's a place that I'm never alone, 'cause there's a place called home, a place called home. Oh, I've watched for miles and I've traded my time for adventure. Yeah, I've seen the world and I know what it's got to give. Yeah, I've had some fun, but I know where I came from. Oh, a place called home. There's a place called